Good morning. Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Make sure I stay in frame here. Okay, we're good there. Now let's see if I'm live. Let's see. There it goes. I'm live. Yay. Now, I know it is crazy early in the morning, but it's chalking and coffee. Let's see. There we go. There's my website. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Tanya. Hi, Stacy. There's some people that are up. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Anna. Good morning. Good morning, Debbie. So, when I came down the shore to the camper, good morning, Debbie, I forgot surfaces to chalk on. I had high hopes of getting a team sign done this weekend, and womp womp, I forgot it. So, I'm going to work with what I have down here. Hi, Joanne. And I happen to still have some of these little wood, these little itty bitty wood pieces. Good morning, Stacy. Hi, Kim. Hi, Laura. Hi, Eileen. Wow, there's a lot of you guys up. I'm glad I'm not the only riser. Morning, 2-cup coffee morning today. Oh, yes. My internal alarm went off at 5:30 this morning, and I was like, not today, Satan. I'm not waking up early. But I will say my Ray Done of the day is my beach mug. I'm so excited I have it. Good morning, Leanne. It goes with my other Ray Done beach themey stuff. So that is what I'm having my coffee in this morning. You know what would be awesome? I don't know if you guys can post pictures in your lives, but if you were also a Ray Done freak and you love Ray Done stuff and you drink out of your Ray Done mugs for coffee and chalking with me, I would love it if you'd post your picture, even post it on my wall. I'm obsessed with my Ray Done. So, good morning, hey. Okay, so anyway, I only had these little wood pieces left down here, and I do have a flag, which I may do tomorrow. We'll see. So I'm going to make do with what I have down here, even though, like I said, I was really wanting to show you guys how to work with our fonts, because I wanted to make a team sign for conventions. That way my team can always stay together. Good morning, Janet. So that's not going to happen. But I thought, hey, how fun would it be to make a super cute little sign that says summer is my happy place with some flip-flops off to the side. I'm just hoping I can make it fit, because the flip-flops are a little big. I don't know if maybe I could just hang them off. That might be cute too. Or maybe pop them in the center, in the background, and then chalk over it. I don't know. We're going to figure it out as I go. It may not even fit. We may be scrapping the flip-flop idea altogether. But very quickly, for those of you who have never watched me before and you have no idea what I'm even talking about or what this even is, here is a real quick slide that you can check out that tells you exactly what Chalk Couture is, because our stuff is awesome, and I do get new viewers all the time, so they may not know exactly what Chalk Couture is, so I want to make sure everybody sees. Good morning, Angela. How are you? Thanks for joining. You're funny, Debbie. I can't deal with winter. Summer is my thing. I love summer. I love it. I love it. I love it. Summer just makes me super happy. Okay, I see it coming up, so we should have had it up long enough. Unless I'm just on a really good delay today and it's not all that bad. Hi, good morning, Doreen. So we're going to use the Summer is My Happy Place transfer, and we're going to put it right down on this piece of wood. Now, I have used this transfer good morning, Angela, multiple times, so I'm not going to fuzz it. Good morning, Doreen. So let's see if, like I said, I can get if I can get this on here in such a way, now that it's off that, if I can leave some room for some flip-flops. I think it's going to look silly if it's all to one side, but it may not. Yep. Okay, guess what? It's not happening with the flip-flops. No biggie. But this is still perfect. This is the perfect size to make this. And this can be, I might just turn this video into how flippin' easy it is to make a super quick sign with Chalk Couture. Super, super, super quick. All right, so what color do I want to go with? Maybe I should marble this. Maybe marbling would look super pretty. What do we think? Or should I just go with... I'm thinking. Oh! Angela, I feel your pain. I used to work Saturdays all the time. My days off were Sunday, Mondays, and that was about 10 years I did that. I'm so happy that I don't work Saturdays anymore, but sometimes I miss it because there was always something different that happened on a Saturday at work. Okay, so I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna go just one color. I think I'm gonna go all aquamarine. That's what I think I'm gonna do. I think I might. Just because I want to be able to show teal and pink. Okay, aquamarine and bubblegum. Is that what you're saying, Leanne? You want these two colors? I will marble them then. We can do that. We can do it. It's super easy. Oh, I hear the planes with the signs flying overhead. So you see them on the beach. Hi, Andrea. Good morning. Okay, so first things first. Let's stir up our chalk piece. Make sure it's a nice yogurt-like consistency. Always give it a sniff. It's so good. Good morning, Venice. And then, Venice, we got to get together. I still have your, I think you had Home Sweet Home. We got to get together and do your project. Good morning, Joyce. Good morning, Michelle. The good thing is I can watch live and videos. I work at a gas station for Kroger. Oh, very cool. Very cool. My new shop is currently spray foam, and I'm sitting in a recliner watching my hubby cook breakfast. That's nice. My hubby's sound asleep. So is the kiddo. But I'm going to get them up soon so we can go and fix. We got to fix Big Brand's bike. His tire has a flat, so that way we can go bike riding because I want to go ride to the bay. Okay, so since we got these all stirred up, and oops, and hi, Venice. Yeah, we need to get together, girlfriend. I still have your project. Teal and pink. So since Leanne, oh, what did I just do? Since Leanne told us, Leanne jumped in with some colors. I'm going to marble today. She wanted to see me do bubblegum and aquamarine. Hi, Tracy. So that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to do, watch how quick and easy this project is, okay? So all I'm going to do is come in and pop some color down. Now, remember, if you watched last night, I had so much extra left, okay? And what we have left is pretty much waste, okay? So I'm just gonna come in and try to be a little more not so crazy with the color, okay? And hopefully that's enough. I think that's gonna be enough. If not, I can always add a little more. Now, I'm gonna just take the small squeegee and I'm going to pull all this color together, okay? Just like this. I've got a good amount of waste, but it's okay. You see how I just pulled it all down? Just pull it all over your transfer. Just make sure everything's covered. Now, you're going to want to have a paper towel handy, and you're going to want to take this all off. Now, make sure you get rid of any lines, okay? Which I did. All my lines are gone. You drop that in some water, and now we're going to peel it up. Oh, that looks really pretty. Oh, I like that. That's very pretty. Hi, Tabby. Hi, Jenny. Hi, Melissa. Those colors do say summer. You were absolutely correct, Debbie. I know coffee. Heck yes. Yes, Venice. That's it. That's the one we got to do. Look how pretty that turned out, guys. Hold on, let me get this in my little fake vat of water. Ay, crack me up, everything that I left yesterday. It's so funny. It's so obvious how bad I wanted to get here. Because I left, like I said, I was like, oh, I got all my chalk stuff. I'm ready to go. I got this. And then I realized I left like some of the most important things. Like, hi, where's my heat tool? Can't touch anything because I can't dry it. Kim, actually, it's funny. I assisted with Couture Tour in Maryland, and at the end of the tour, they, as repayment for assisting, they gave me a bunch of these because this was what our project was done on. So I have a bunch. Hi, Susan Tapley. Hi, Fred. So this is so cute. Now, there were spots where, because it was on the crease, some of the color kind of, there it goes. Some of the color, like, was a little excess in there. But guess what? It still looks really good. It really does. I like it. Summer is my happy place. How easy was that? Guys, like, super cool. Yes, Leanne, you're absolutely right. Good morning, happy camper, Susan. So that's it. Look at that. 1, 2, 3 project done. And like I said, I really wish I would have had room to put some flip-flops. But that's okay. That's okay because this will just stand up like this and it's already ready to be a decorative piece. Super easy. So yeah, I actually don't know where they got them. Like I said, I was just giving them some of the leftover things, which was super crazy generous because there was a lot from helping out at Couture Tour. So exactly, Laura. Super quick, cute, and simple. How long did that take me to do? 30 seconds? Hi, Sandra. Thanks for joining. Good morning. So there we go. We have summer as my happy place. And I'm okay with some of the lines because of the things, the lines. It looks super cute. Wait a second. Hold on. I have an idea about something. To put along the bottom. Hold on, guys. I might have another idea for something. Let's see how big it is, though. It may not work because it might be way too big. It is going to be way too big. Darn. I have the vintage truck add-on, the summer one, and I was thinking maybe the surfboards. That would have been so cool. Dang. Maybe if I would have moved up. No, even if I would have moved up, it's still too big. Okay, that doesn't make me feel so bad then. Because I can't wait to play with that. I'm going to be making my truck for here. But look at that. Super, super easy. I put a piece of twine in the cracks before you add chalk paste. No more blobs in the cracks. So smart, Susan. So smart. Isn't it, Andrea? This would be perfect. And guess what, girlfriend? You would love this because you can repeat this design over and over and over again. You could get little itty bitty chalkboards, or you could make get little itty bitty pieces of wood. All you have to do is go to the Home Depot or the Lowe's and get the wood. This transfer was a size A, so it's only $9.99. You're going to be able to get to use it per Chalk Couture. You can use it 8 to 12 times. I myself personally, because I do take good care of my transfers, they're my babies. I have gotten 12, 15, 16 uses out of a transfer. So Andrea, if you are looking to do this for a teacher gift, definitely check out my website right down below or right above. And look, I only use 2 colors, Aquamarine and Bubblegum. You could use 1 color. You could get away with 1 color doing this, but did you see how easy it was? Like, Andrea, seriously, this would be super quick and easy for you for teacher projects. Maybe a little arrow, or go get a shell on your beach adventure and glue it on. I think that's, Laura, that is a wonderful idea. We're going to the bay today, so you know what I may do? Oh, wait, I may have shells. Do I have any shells left, or did I use them all for my shadow box? I think I used them all for my Summer's My Happy Place shadow box. But that's okay. I could get a for real one, yes, and glue it right on. Andrea, I think you're in luck. I may have a Summer is My Happy Place at my house, Andrea, for sure. This starfish, yeah, this little area definitely wouldn't work to put the one that we have in the anchor anchor transfer, but a little itty bitty starfish, if I could find one at the beach, would be super cute there. Good idea, Kim. And I definitely have excess chalk paste, Andrea, so definitely we could, I could help you with that. Just let me know. Message me. Hi, Dina. So yeah, so this is my super cute, hi Georgiana. Hi Georgina. How are you, girlfriend? Thanks for joining this morning. Like a real one. Yeah, Kim, I agree. I think a real one would be cute. So you know what? I'm not going to put anything else down here, like a little arrow or anything, because I'm going to see if at the bay I can find some cute little itty bitty seashells. Oh, that would be so cute. Ooh, good ideas. Good ideas, ladies. But that's it. So adorable. Can't wait to hang it up. And because it doesn't have anything on the back, I'm going to slap a command hook on them. command hooks. Gotta love those things. Hi, Cassie. So simple, so easy. I mean, seriously, you can't go wrong. And especially because summer is coming right now. This summer is my happy place. Do you hear the birds? I mean, like, this is the kind of stuff I love. Hi, Wendy. Thanks for joining. So, do we have any questions, guys? Since that project was lightning quick, I could either say bye for the day, or I'm happy to answer questions. You know that. Remember, beach, Ray Dunn Beach, Ray Dunn of the day. I love my Ray Dunn. I'm going to go ahead and clean these while, seeing if you guys have any, thanks, Joy. Seeing if you guys have any questions. Now, this is probably going to be a hot mess cleaning. I'm telling you, when I mess up big time. I don't have a towel, and I'm not using any of our beach towels to do this, but I forgot my towel at home. I have a fuzzing towel, but I cannot use that to dry these because it's going to ruin my fuzzing. So I'm going to try my best to get this as clean, as quick as possible on a paper towel, because you know what's going to happen? It's going to stick like mad on the back, right? So all I'm using is a Lysol wipe to get all the excess paste off the front of my transfer, just like this. See? Got everything off. Now, please don't stick, please don't stick, please don't stick. Because this is why we use a towel. Okay. Yay. All right, now let's flip it over. See this excess gunk that slipped through because of the crack area? Just get off. You want to lightly clean it. You don't want to scrub it, because if you do, you're going to take the stick off. You want to lightly run your wipe across it. And look, see, it's already getting sticky again. See that? Easy peasy. So now I'm going to let this sit, and once it's done drying, I will put it back onto the carrier sheet, which, because like I said, I already used this, so it was already labeled. This is my backside. As soon as that's done drying, I'm going to put it right back on here. Now let's go and get my little squeegees. Get another paper towel. It is a stress-free zone, Laura. Absolutely. Hi, Dan. How are you? Hi, Andrea. Hi, Shani. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. Let's do this here. I'll move Summer is my happy place back into view so that way you guys can see it. It literally took 30 seconds to do that. 30 seconds. Who doesn't love that about Chalk Couture? If you have not heard about Chalk Couture, you need to let me know so I can help you with that. And as a matter of fact, if while you were watching this, you were like, oh my goodness, that project was so quick, so easy, I need to get these products so that way I can make it myself. Because if this hot mess and Jess can do it, anybody can do it. So you're going to want to comment me down below, and I will happily add you to my, good morning, Jerry, to my VIP group. If while watching this you said, you know what, that looks like so much fun, and I could see myself doing this with the girls, I could see myself sharing projects, I could see myself making signs and selling them, I could see myself building a team. If you can see any of that, you would be meant to be a Chalk Couture designer, and I would love nothing else than to have you on my team. So if you comment join down below, I will happily message you the link to my opportunity group, where I have a video that I do once a month on a Facebook Live, and I just save it till the following month, that tells you all about the Chalk Couture opportunity. And if there's anything I missed, just message me and ask that question. I'm happy to answer it. So this was the project today. Super quick, super easy. I'm gonna go see if when we run to the bay, or when we ride to the bay, if I can find any little shells to put on here, or maybe even like a little nautical knot, which I can do, like, I've seen them, they have them on the boardwalk, and maybe add it down at the bottom. That would be super cute. Hi, Tammy, thanks for joining. So, yeah, that is my project for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you saw how easy it is to even clean your transfers afterward. Quick, easy, 1, 2, 3. I'll put that Summer is my happy place away the second it is done drying. So yeah, I hope you guys had a great day. I'm gonna let you go so that way I can get the boys up, and we're going to go on about our Saturday. So I will see you guys tomorrow for another coffee and chalking. You have a great day, okay? Bye.